What if no one had to answer that call? The phone rings. Gail answers instantly. She captures the caller's name, date of birth, vehicle info, and coverage request. The transcript writes itself. Data populates automatically. The agent hasn't touched a thing. Now Quotely fires. TurboRater queries 5 carriers simultaneously. Progressive, Safeco, Travelers, National General, Bristol West. In 18 seconds, multi-carrier results are ranked by price. Best rate identified. The agent still hasn't touched it. An interactive proposal is auto-generated. 3 coverage options, side by side. The client gets a link on their phone. They select Progressive. The agent has everything needed to place the policy. Customer data, quote details, and coverage selection, all ready to hand off to Momentum AMP. Under 60 seconds. 0 manual entry. 90% of the quote-to-decision workflow. Automated. Before the agent picks up the phone. The industry average? 20 to 45 minutes. 4 to 6 systems. Manual data entry at every step. But here's what kills every platform. Agents don't leave bad software. They just stop using good software. The number one reason AMS migrations fail isn't features. It's the learning curve. Quad changes everything. Pull up the Wilson policy. Done. What commissions came in this week? Here's your summary, pulled from Momentum AMP. Send the deck page to Maria Gonzalez. Sent. What's my renewal pipeline for next month? Surfaced and summarized. No menus. No training. No learning curve. Just say what you need. Quad goes and gets it. Momentum AMP powers the data. Insured records, policies, Ivan's downloads, commissions, automation workflows. Quotely powers the decision. Quad intelligence, interactive proposals, one screen call to quote, client nurturing. We don't replace anything. We make everything inside Momentum powers the data. Quotely powers the decision. Quad powers the intelligence. More quotes closed. More premium flowing through your platform. Higher retention for your ecosystem. Let's talk.